Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today is a very special and heart touching day for all of us at Vidyarambh Gurukula. Along with more than 100 children, we visited a beautiful Goshala.
So Jai Gurudev, today we are at a Goshala with all the childrens. So this is the way that life should be. That's how the border should be. But unfortunately today's cows are very less. But it is our collective responsibility to protect our mother cow. So I request all of you to do the same Goshala wherever it is possible. During your event of birthday or marriage anniversary or any other event like that, the best and the divine activity that you can do is that go to the Goshala, serve them, feed them food, help these organizations wherever they're doing it. Okay, and that's the best thing that you can do this. Okay, and that's why I want to see this Bharat in that way. Thank you so much, Jai Gurudev.
To spend time with our beloved cows, feed them bananas and fresh grass, and understand the importance of protecting and serving them. This was not just a visit, it was an experience filled with love, compassion, culture, and gratitude. In today's fast moving world, many children grow up without understanding the value of nature, animals, and traditional Indian culture. That is why experiences like this are so important. As soon as we entered the Goshala, the children became very excited. Some of them were seeing so many cows closely for the first time in their lives. Their faces were full of happiness and curiosity. The peaceful atmosphere of the Goshala immediately created a calming feeling in everyone's heart. The sound of cows, the fresh air, and the natural surroundings reminded us how beautiful and simple life can be. In Indian culture, cows are not just animals, they are respected as Gomata, which means mother. For centuries, cows have supported human life in many ways, from milk to agriculture, from organic farming to traditional medicine. Cows play a very important role in our society. But sadly, today many cows are abandoned, neglected, and left without care. Some suffer because of lack of food, shelter, and medical support. This is why Goshalas are so important. They provide safety, food, love, and protection to cows that need care. At Vidyarambha Gurukula, we believe education is not only about books and classrooms. Real education means teaching children kindness, responsibility, spirituality, and respect for all living beings. That is why we brought these children here today. One by one, the children started feeding bananas and grass to the cows. It was such a beautiful sight to watch. Some children were initially scared, but slowly they became comfortable. Soon they started touching the cows gently, feeding them with love, and even talking to them. You could clearly see the emotional connection between the children and the cows. Moments like these teach values that no textbook can teach. Children learn compassion, they learn patience, they learn gratitude, and most importantly, they learn that every living being deserves love and care. The cows also responded with so much calmness and affection. Animals can truly feel human emotions. Many spiritual traditions say that serving cows brings peace and positive energy into life. Whether you believe spiritually or emotionally, one thing is certain: kindness always creates happiness. During our visit, the caretakers of the Goshala explained how much effort goes into taking care of the cows every day. They wake up early in the morning, arrange food, clean the shelters, provide medical support, and ensure every cow is safe and healthy. The dedication is truly inspiring. We also realize that running a Goshala is not easy. It requires support from society, donations, volunteers, and awareness. Even a small contribution can help feed and protect cows. Sometimes people think saving cows is only someone else's responsibility, but the truth is, every small act matters. Feeding a cow, supporting a Goshala, avoiding food waste, or simply spreading awareness can make a difference. Today's younger generation needs to reconnect with nature and values. Technology is important, but humanity is even more important. When children learn kindness at a young age, they grow into responsible and compassionate human beings. This visit was not only educational, but also emotional for all of us. Watching 100 children happily serving cows together created an unforgettable memory. The smiles on their faces were pure and genuine. Some children even said they want to visit again and help more animals in the future. Hearing this made us feel very proud and hopeful. Our mission is to build strong character along with education. We want children to become successful in life, but also humble, caring, and connected to Indian values. Because true success is not only about money or career, true success is having a good heart. We are extremely thankful to the Goshala team for welcoming us and giving such a meaningful experience to our students. Their service towards cows is truly divine and inspirational. We also thank all the parents, teachers, and supporters who encouraged this beautiful initiative. Without your support, such experiences would not be possible. To everyone watching this vlog, we have a small request. Please support your local Goshala whenever possible. You can donate food, volunteer your time, or simply visit with your family and children. Teach the next generation the importance of compassion and service. Let us create a world where animals are treated with kindness and respect. Let us protect our culture, our values, and our humanity. Because when we protect cows, we also protect love, peace, and harmony in society. Before ending this vlog, let us all take one small pledge together: to be kind, to care for animals, to help whenever possible, and to spread love everywhere we go. Thank you for watching this beautiful journey. If you enjoyed this vlog and support our mission, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment below and tell us your thoughts about cow protection and serving animals. We will continue bringing more meaningful activities, educational experiences, and inspirational content for all of you. Until next time, stay positive, stay kind, and stay connected to your values. Jai Gau Mata. Thank you.